Welcome to Lighthouse Learning22, where we navigate young minds. Let's dive into phonics. What sound are we learning today? Correct, we're learning the sound. Do you know the letter name for The letter name is U, and it makes the sound Look at the pictures and say the word when the picture appears. Under, umbrella, up, unhappy. Excellent, you're amazing at this. Can you find all 7 pictures? How many did you find? Let's look for them together. Upside down, us. Upstairs, unhappy. Up, under, umbrella. Brilliant! You're ready for a challenge. It's sentence time. Listen carefully, then read after me. I use my umbrella when it rains. We walk upstairs to class. Come play with us. The ladybug is upside down. Look up and see the clouds. Homework makes me unhappy. The dog is under the table. Wow, you're reading like a champion. We learned lots of new words today. Can you remember all of them? We'll read the words starting with a. Umbrella, upstairs, us, upside down, up, unhappy, under. Now let's read the words that don't start with a. Rain, class, ladybug, down, cloud, dog, table. Fantastic! You nailed it. You did a brilliant job today. Don't forget to subscribe so you can join me for the next sound and become a reading rock star. See you next time. Bye for now.